Hello guys, and welcome to my first video on iJack Business. Now guys, this channel is going to be specifically for business related videos. Online income, online business, generating passive income, generating residual income. Anything business related guys, which is online, which I personally do and I am involved with. I'm going to teach you on how you can start your own online business and how you can start generating your own online income. So first of all, I'm going to say who I am, and then I'm going to tell you guys what I do for a daily living. Hello everyone. Okay, so my name is Jack and I am an 18-year-old entrepreneur. Now my story is a little bit different to following the schooling system. So what I done was I finished secondary school, got decent grades, I passed all of my exams, and then I went to college. I dropped out of my third week of college, guys. I was at college for a total of 3 weeks and dropped out because it wasn't what I wanted to do. I was doing a media course, which I didn't like at all. I dropped out, done a business apprenticeship for a total of 1 year, and now I have my own companies, guys, and I make my own income online. I completely work for myself, guys. I'm at home pretty much every day, all day, just working, and that is how I live my life. I'm 18 and I get to have the luxury of working for myself, guys. I can wake up whenever I want, I can work for however long I want, and if you want to learn more, if you want to learn how you can do that for yourself, no matter what age you are, this is the best thing about online business, guys. You can start at whatever age you are, it does not matter. Smash a like, subscribe if you're new, guys, and let's get into what I do for a living. Alright, so I pretty much work from this MacBook here pretty much all day, every day. I do have a big desktop PC behind me, which I do other stuff on, but yeah, I work from my laptop every single day. Now, what do I do? Okay, so I actually own a couple of companies here, guys. So I own a social media marketing agency where I run companies' Facebook pages and run paid advertising for their Facebook pages. If you'd like to see more videos on social media marketing, on how to get your first clients and stuff, let me know down below, as I can bring you those videos. As well as that, guys, I have an online education platform which will also be linked down below, which I really want to scale this year, guys, which is teaching other individuals how they can get involved with online business. This is an education company and an education platform where you're going to have so many resources where you can start, and I teach you essentially what the schools don't. So I teach you things that schools don't, such as the cash flow quadrant, if you haven't seen, in the Rich Dad Poor Dad book. Great book. I'll also link down below in the description books that have literally changed my life. This one right here is literally to the side of me, which I'm reading for like the second time. It's called The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. I haven't been paid to say that, of course, but yeah, that's there. And yeah, that's one of the books. Another book which I'll link in the description down below is going to be The $100 Startup. Those are like two books which I'm reading at the moment, but yeah, that is essentially what I do for a living. And I also earn money through affiliate marketing, guys, and different passive income sources, cryptocurrency, and it's everything I'm going to teach you guys on this channel. I've done drop shipping in the past. I've done sort of different ways of earning money on like Amazon FBA, Amazon affiliate marketing, so many different ways, guys, and I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do the same. So I believe my first video I'm going to drop either tomorrow or the next day, so stay tuned on the channel. If this is the first time you're watching me, hello, my name is Jack once again. I do actually have a FIFA channel. You see, I'll link that somewhere on the channel. You guys can see my FIFA. And if you're from my FIFA channel, iJack, then welcome. You now know what I do for a living, day-to-day basis when I'm not recording videos. So that is what I do for a living, guys. I have actually worked in a couple of other businesses, so I kind of know how the corporate world works. And I also want to get started in investing within real estate. So I want to start investing in real estate very soon. On the primary, guys, on my education platform, I do have sort of an education or a course, if you want to call it that, on how you can get involved in real estate for free, which I've been doing, but I really want to start getting my own portfolio and getting my own properties where I can then rent out. But the only issue with that is that I've only just turned 18 years old, so you need to have a really good credit score to get a mortgage, and yeah, I don't really have a good credit score at the moment because I've only just turned 18. But yeah, we're going to get into essentially everything on how you can start your online business and how you can start making passive income online on this channel. So thank you guys for tuning in today, and I'll see you on my next video.